Erizoba omushango gw'obururu bwa president ogwahababirwe Robert Kasivante w'ekibiina kya National Peasants Party nebw'abajurizi kuruga mu kitongole kya Electoral Commission hamwe na government barebekaho mu Supreme Court omu maisho g'abaramuzi mwenda kandi babanze kwikirizana nk'ebibiina n'okubaragire beitu omuhababi yaremwa kushoborera court enshonga ezimwe ziyatira omu mushango ogu.
We met and scheduled the case, and then today we return to report to present the scheduling conference notes, and once we agreed, we presented it to court. Court requested that we clarify on certain matters, including expanding on the issues that we raised that we want court to determine. Those issues include non-compliance. What areas of non-compliance are we complaining about? We are talking about electoral offences committed by the first respondent. What are those electoral offences that we are alleging that he committed?
Umuchiwe manja Monica Mujenyi yashoborera ngo rubajo ruhababi niruza kutamburira abajurizi abo ofisi ya Attorney General eri kureta abantu babiri, ofisi ya President eri kureta abantu mukaga kandi ab'ekitongole kya Electoral Commission bari kureta abantu 8. Beitu nabwanyuma urubajo ruhababi rwashaba kubuzaho Attorney General hamwe na chairperson wa Electoral Commission beitu ekikoti ya yanga.
Twina abajurizi babiri, Electoral Commission yana abajurizi 8, President Museveni yana abajurizi 6 wa musango. Anti kakati kote gena kusalawo oba waliwo mu nkola y'okuteeka okulonda kuno waliwo okutatuukiriza ebyo amateeka bye bagamba, era bwebanga tebyatuukirizibwa byagenda kutuukawa okulaba nti byalemesa okulonda okubeera nga kulambulukufu.
We are going to use this period of from today up to the weekend for us to absorb all the things you have put in, and then first of all I want to find out from you, are you desirous of cross-examining anyone?
For the petitioner, my Lord Johnny Savage, my Lord, we are desirous of cross-examining 2 witnesses from the Electoral Commission. One from the Electoral Commission, that is the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, and then one from the Attorney General, and that's the Honorable Deputy Attorney General.
Okay, on your part, the respondents.
Yes, please, Your Lordship, we do not intend to cross-examine any witnesses.
Okay. The second respondent.
My Lord, we also don't intend to cross-examine.
The third respondent.
My Lord, we don't intend to cross-examine any witnesses, but this issue of cross-examination, we have gone through it separately, my Lord. It is not a matter of right. The witness he tells us what he wishes to.
Yeah, of course, ideally you are absolutely right. We are supposed to find out the relevance of the cross-examination. What you want to pick out of that cross-examination. And I think we had discussed that actually even during the recess.
Mushango ogu neguza kutandika ho 2018 kwezi kwa 2 mwaka ogu obwo ekitongole kya Electoral Commission kiza kucikirwa mwezi gwa rukutana eri sabiti kandi mukuru w'ihanga neija kujwekerwa Council Edwin Karugire hamwe na Ebert Chencha. Lero ofisi ya Attorney General neija kucikirwa Attorney General Kiriyowa Kiwanuka. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abo Tayari West omuri Kampala.